Ever wondered what a bank really is anymore? I mean, think about it. We used to picture grand buildings with marble floors, tellers behind thick glass, the whole 9 yards. But now, most of us do our banking on our phones, in our pajamas at 3 a.m. So, what even defines a traditional bank in today's world? That's the question we're tackling today, specifically looking at B9 Bank and asking, is it a traditional bank? To understand that, we first need to define what we mean by traditional. When we say traditional bank, certain images and characteristics likely come to mind. These typically include things like physical branches, offering a full range of services like checking and savings accounts, loans, mortgages, and investment products. They are often regulated by established banking authorities and adhere to strict reserve requirements. They've usually been around for a while, building a long history and reputation. Think of names like Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, or your local community credit union. These institutions generally operate within a well-established framework. Now, let's contrast that with the rise of newer banking models. We've seen the emergence of online-only banks, often called neobanks or challenger banks. These institutions operate primarily, or even exclusively, online. They often leverage technology to offer streamlined services, lower fees, and a more user-friendly experience. They might not have physical branches, relying instead on mobile apps and online platforms for customer interaction. Some might partner with established banks to hold deposits, while others operate under their own charters. So, where does B9 Bank fit into this picture? B9 Bank is a digital banking platform that focuses specifically on serving the needs of the immigrant community in the United States. They aim to provide accessible financial services to individuals who may face challenges navigating the traditional banking system due to factors like lack of credit history, language barriers, or unfamiliarity with the U.S. financial landscape. B9 offers a range of services, including checking accounts, debit cards, and international money transfers. A key feature is their focus on building credit for their users, which is crucial for accessing other financial products and opportunities in the U.S. They often utilize alternative data points for credit assessment, going beyond traditional credit scores to evaluate an individual's financial responsibility. Now, let's dissect whether B9 Bank aligns with our definition of a traditional bank. Firstly, B9 does not have physical branches in the way a traditional bank does. Their operations are primarily digital, accessed through their mobile app and online platform. This immediately sets them apart from the brick-and-mortar image of traditional banking. Secondly, while they offer core banking services like checking accounts and debit cards, their focus is quite specific. They are not a full-service bank offering the full spectrum of products like mortgages, complex investment products, or business loans in the same way a traditional bank might. Their offerings are tailored to their target audience, focusing on essential financial tools and services. Thirdly, the way B9 approaches credit building is also different. Traditional banks rely heavily on established credit scores from credit bureaus. B9 utilizes alternative data and focuses on helping users establish credit, which is a significant differentiator. Fourthly, in terms of regulation, B9 operates within the existing financial framework. They are not a bank in the traditional sense of holding deposits directly. Instead, they partner with FDIC-insured banks to hold customer funds, ensuring the safety and security of those deposits. This is a common practice among many neobanks and fintech companies. So, based on these points, it's clear that B9 Bank is not a traditional bank in the classic sense. It doesn't have physical branches, it has a specialized focus, it uses a different approach to credit building, and it partners with established banks for deposit holding. It aligns more closely with the model of a neobank or a fintech company, leveraging technology to provide targeted financial services to a specific demographic. However, it's important to understand that the lines between traditional and non-traditional banking are becoming increasingly blurred. Many traditional banks are investing heavily in digital technologies, offering mobile banking apps, online account management, and other features that were once the exclusive domain of neobanks. Conversely, some neobanks are exploring partnerships or even acquiring traditional banking licenses to expand their offerings. The financial landscape is evolving rapidly, and the definition of a bank is changing with it. What was once a clear distinction between brick-and-mortar institutions and online platforms is now becoming a spectrum, with various models and approaches coexisting and even converging. B9 Bank plays a valuable role in this evolving landscape by addressing a specific need within the financial system. They are providing access to financial services for a community that may face challenges with traditional banking, using technology and innovative approaches to achieve this goal. They are not trying to be a traditional bank. They are offering a different kind of financial solution. Therefore, while B9 Bank is not a traditional bank, it's not trying to be. It's a modern, technology-driven platform designed to meet the specific needs of a particular community. It utilizes the existing financial infrastructure while providing a unique approach to banking. It represents the changing face of finance, demonstrating how technology can be used to improve financial inclusion and accessibility. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.